Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you how I improved my English just by following ChatGPT. Many of the language learners, they follow traditional methods and they see no any progress in their language learning journey. They follow outdated methods like memorizing grammar rules, mugging up English vocabularies, reading newspaper. You tell me, if you follow these outdated methods, then is it really possible to speak English fluently? Absolutely no. You can pass any government exams, but when it comes to speaking English, you will be lag behind. So my first priority is that you should use AI tool in free because nobody will judge you right there, okay? And you will get instant feedback as much as you want. You can practice, okay, my friends. So I improved my English completely just by following ChatGPT, and now currently I do not have any English speaking partner, but still I enjoy talking with ChatGPT or on camera. Okay, so that I can share my journey with you all. And my dear friends, if you really have a spirit and if you really want to improve your personality, if you really want to do any job, any part-time job, and you want to be financially free, then please improve your English and you can earn money and you can enjoy your life, okay? Because learning English can give you a lot of opportunities, as I am getting right now, because I haven't uploaded videos for the last 10 days on this channel. The reason, because I had an interview and I cracked that fortunately, and I got selected as an English expert, and now I train online language learners, okay? So my salary is very good. I am very happy with my life, and this is all just because of ChatGPT. So don't forget to use AI tools. If you think that ChatGPT, I am advocating ChatGPT or this is a sponsorship video, then not like that. I'm just telling you my own experience, okay? So improve yourself and go ahead in your life and change your personality, my dear friends, because life is so good if you have money, okay? And even I have a lot of pressure, but now I am very good. I am feeling so calm and cool. The reason, because I got selected, okay, my friend. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you, that keep learning, keep improving, and avoid following outdated methods. Just follow modern methods, because the time has changed now, and you should you know change yourself according to the time. Okay, thank you so much.